Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. PocketFi Airdrop listing date. What could be the expected price? PocketFi, a mini-app revolutionizing decentralized finance, DeFi, on Telegram, is set to launch its highly anticipated token generation event, TGE, in Q4 2024. PocketFi provides users with a seamless experience for cross-chain token transfers, sniping, and copy trading across multiple decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Powered by Telegram's innovative tools, PocketFi offers a unique and user-friendly bot that allows users to manage multiple wallets, initiate token swaps, and capitalize on sniping opportunities. PocketFi listing date. According to the official roadmap, PocketFi's TGE will be followed by an official listing of the governance token, $Switch, by the end of Q4 2024. As PocketFi aims to disrupt the DeFi space, the token will be available for trading on leading exchanges. The listing is expected to occur before December 30, 2024, aligning with the project's goal to expand its reach and utility within the DeFi ecosystem. This listing marks a significant milestone for PocketFi, as it paves the way for the token to be integrated into various DeFi protocols, further enhancing its utility. PocketFi Airdrop date. Alongside the TGE, PocketFi will conduct an airdrop for early adopters and community members in December 2024. The exact date is expected to be announced soon, but it will take place before December 30, 2024. This airdrop aims to incentivize users to engage with the platform and participate in the governance of PocketFi through the Switch token. The airdrop will reward users with Switch tokens, enabling them to vote on new DeFi protocols and take part in community-driven decisions. PocketFi listing price. Industry analysts expect Switch to debut with a price ranging between $0.0034 and $0.0056 during its initial listing. This price prediction is based on PocketFi's robust tokenomics and the platform's growing popularity. With 51% of the tokens reserved for mining, 24% allocated to the team, and 25% dedicated to the DAO, the carefully structured token distribution positions Switch for long-term sustainability. Early investors are expected to closely monitor this price range, as the governance token plays a crucial role in shaping PocketFi's future.